Hello, dear students. How are you all? After almost 12 to 13 days back, I'm resuming my online classes on corporate accounting. And from today, I'm going to start a new chapter that is called Valuation of Goodwill. Okay? So you must have heard about the term goodwill. So what is goodwill? And what are the types of goodwill? What are the factors affecting goodwill? Methods of calculating goodwill? Or we are going to do here. Okay? So we have to value goodwill. That is very important since we are commerce students and we will do business obviously in the later days. So we must know practically how to value the goodwill. Okay? Whenever you have a business, suppose you have a sole proprietorship business, if you are purchasing another sole proprietorship business, then you need to calculate the goodwill of that business which you are going to purchase, and you have to pay not only the price for net asset of that particular sole proprietorship, but you need to pay for their goodwill as well. Okay? And at the same time, when there will be amalgamation between the companies, or when there is the merger of the company, or you can say when there is a absorption of one company by another company, at that time you have to calculate the goodwill. You have to value the goodwill. And sometimes in partnership business as well, when a partner is admitted, new partner is admitted, at that time you need to calculate the goodwill of that partnership. When a partner retires from the business, that partnership, you need to calculate the goodwill. So in different occasions and different time, we need to calculate goodwill. Okay? Now, although you know the term goodwill meaning, definition and all, then also we are going to repeat it once again. Okay? So goodwill is an intangible asset which helps business to earn extra profit. Okay, that means what? Goodwill is an asset. It's an asset of the business, but it's an intangible asset. We cannot see and we cannot touch it, but it is an asset, like gas, like building, like what? Land. So by this particular goodwill, it will help. If a company or business has goodwill, higher goodwill, it helps that particular business to earn extra profit. Okay? So let us understand this by one example. Suppose we have got three companies or three business, this one and this one, three business organizations. Okay? These two are old businesses. This particular business was established, suppose 10 years ago, and this particular business was established 5 years back, and this one is very new business, very new, just 1 year old business. Okay, now what happened? These three businesses have invested same capital in their respective organization. Suppose this business has invested 25 lakhs, this particular business has invested 25 lakhs, and this particular business has invested 25 lakhs in a particular year, suppose previous year. Now after 1 year, the earning of this new business is 10 lakh. So this 10 lakh is called normal profit. So since this particular business is very new, just 1 year, okay, and this is earning what? Profit of 10 lakhs out of investing 25 lakhs. Okay, so 10 lakh is what? Your normal profit. But at the same time, this particular company, which is just 5 years old, is earning 15 lakhs by investing the same capital. And this particular business is earning 5 lakhs more than normal profit. Look, 5 lakhs more than this particular company is earning. So this 5 lakh is called super profit. See, this 5 lakh is called what? Super profit. Then how this particular business or company has earned more profit? It is because of goodwill. It is because of goodwill of this particular business. Likewise, this particular business, which is 10 years old, so this business is what? Earning 20 lakhs rupees out of same investment. So how it is possible? This is possible because of the goodwill of this particular business or organization. Okay, so this 10 lakhs is what? Super profit. Okay, more than normal profit. So normal profit is 10 lakh, but it's earning what? 20 lakh. So this 10 lakh, more 10 lakh is what? Super profit. So how this super profit is possible? Because of the goodwill of this particular business, right? So this is all about goodwill. So goodwill, to have a goodwill in your business is very, very important. So it helps in earning more profit, extra profit. That extra profit is called super profit. Now, what are the factors which affect the value of goodwill? What are the factors which increase the goodwill of a particular organization or business? First one is location. Of course, if a business is in good location, at the middle of the market, or in a highway where anyone can see, anyone can access, if it has got parking facility, everything is there, then obviously people will go. Okay, so it will help to enhance the business goodwill, right? Likewise, customer base. Okay, so over the period of time, when your business gets older and older, so naturally you will have what? Customer base. You will have more and more customer. Okay, so automatically those customers will prefer to come at your business. That means your goodwill will increase, right? Then efficient management. Okay, if your company has good management, good managers, then they will manage the business, manage all the resources in such a way that it will help to increase the goodwill. It will help to increase what? Goodwill of that particular business. Like they will what? Optimally manage all the resources, where to invest. Okay, how to invest, what should be the proper human resource, what should be the number of human resource, whom to put where. Everything should be managed efficiently. If managers are good, they will manage efficiently. So it will, of course, reduce the cost and it will enhance your profit. So that is also kind of goodwill. Okay, then of course good relationship with supplier. Okay, so while establishing your business, you will have not only customers, but you will have what? Suppliers also. You have to bring goods. So if you have good relation with suppliers, definitely with just mere by calling, by just telephonic conversation, they will supply all the demands, all the goods. Okay, so that will reduce your cost. So that will reduce the cost. So that will enhance your goodwill. Okay, so there should be good relationship with suppliers. Okay, so that is also one of the factor which affect the goodwill. Okay, reputation. Okay, if you really doing good business, if your service is good, then people will what? Share your reputation with their colleagues through word of mouth. Okay, they will say that you have to go to this business, their service is very good, their product is very good, and in that way your goodwill will enhance, of course, by recognition. If your service is good, okay, then that means you will be recognized by the society, you will be recognized by the government, state government, not only state government but central government also. So if you are recognized by this organization, then it will help to enhance your goodwill. And of course there could be the other factors as well. Okay, this can be many factors. Okay, so attitude, everything, the laws and rules and regulation of the state government, so all accounts the goodwill valuation. Okay, then if a business has a good goodwill, obviously that will help in earning more profit of the for the particular business. Okay, so these particular super profits are because of the goodwill of these firms. Okay, maybe they have good management, customer base and all. So this is all about the goodwill. Okay, now let us understand the types of goodwill. We have got two types of goodwill. Okay, basically we have got two types of goodwill. One is purchase goodwill and second one is self-generated goodwill. So what is purchase goodwill? Purchase goodwill means, as the name suggests, it is purchased by other. So when you purchase other business, you are purchasing not only assets and liabilities, but you are purchasing goodwill also. Okay, and one is self-generated goodwill. Self-generated means over the period of time you are generating your goodwill by your own, of course by good service, of course by customer base, of course by what other factors, you are generating your own what goodwill. Okay, then if the goodwill is purchased goodwill, it is recognized. Recognized means you need to reflect that goodwill value in the balance sheet. You have to show in the balance sheet. That means what? Whenever you purchase goodwill, okay, by purchasing that this thing, other companies and all, at the time whatever the value of goodwill is there, you need to reflect that in the balance sheet. Okay, the value of goodwill. But the goodwill is self-generated, that should not be reflected in the balance sheet. Although you have got very good goodwill, you have got very good value of goodwill, but you should, it's not mandatory, it's not required to what reflect that goodwill to the balance in the balance sheet. But when you sell this business, then of course you will calculate the goodwill. Okay, that is different aspect, but self-generating goodwill cannot be reflected in the balance sheet. Okay, now here are the some of the what valuation goodwill, methods of valuation of goodwill. How are you going to value the goodwill? Okay, like business is purchased by another, so what is the value? Suppose 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. How are you going to find? So there are number of methods, as you already know, because you have done everything in your +2 level. So I am repeating just. So one is average profit method, second one is super profit method, third one is capitalization method, fourth one is annuity method. Okay, and further average method can be simple average method, next is weighted average method. Further, this capitalization method could be capitalization of average profit method and capitalization of super profit method, right? So see, method of calculation of goodwill is very simple, very simple. First you have to start from this, we are going to this, so accordingly we have to do this and these things. Okay, you cannot jump here and start, it will be very difficult. But if you go in sequence, then it's a very easy subject, it's a very easy topic. So we'll discuss the average profit method from the next video. Thank you very much.